Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header and footer from all pages in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we go to the file menu at first. Then select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the header text and here the footer text. Now we want to remove the header and footer from all pages. Go to the file home menu again, then go to the insert menu, select the header and footer option, click inside the header dialog box and delete this text, then again select the footer dialog box and delete this text, then click inside the sheet and go to the view menu, click the normal option. Now we go back again the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. Now we can see we remove the footer to this all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.